that we're making our swimming pool for Amara and me. And that's, I don't know what Amara building there, but that's not a room. It's just a complete game. A game lang. And that's our house. And this is I don't know, but I don't know what is that. And this is the hall, and this is our play game and our train. So by the way, we're continuing building the pool. It's the giant pool for Amara and me, and we're fast builders. We're fishers. We're seriously in pain of the fish because it's a fish. Get it? Because of the fish, we can make car salmon, simulator, and sometimes we get kinda diamond black. We gotta change this to what about some diamonds? Because everyone like diamonds, like even me. So don't mind that. I kinda died. So don't mention that. I died. Don't mention I died like that. Yeah. Continue the game. This is the secret. Ang hindi talaga alam ni Amara kung nasan yung daan doon. Kaya nalilito siya, kaya hindi niya yung gagawin. Teka lang guys, babalik kami. Okay guys, we're back and we're doing our weird competition eh. We're digging. Oh my god, we're about to fall. If we die again, we lost some stuff. But good thing we're creating more. Don't mention that again. I died just one bit. But do not mention that dead I built that I didn't die for 1 million times. If you're thinking I really dead, but like, subscribe and like. If you know how to like and subscribe, if you're smart like Boogerman, I mean, Master Scott, don't mention that. If you're smart like Boogerman or Herobrine, if you can defeat a warden, a weather, or the Ender Dragon, barely I'm greater than anybody because I'm a pro. I'm the greatest. I'm a pro, so I can defeat anything. I defeat the weather 10 times in a row. I defeat 2. Did you watch my Warden versus Weather? If you like it, like and subscribe. Bye bye.